In a quiet village, a stone sculpture stood in the town square. One day it sneezed, sending a cloud of dust into the air. The villagers were amazed and gathered around, wondering what had caused it. A wise old owl perched nearby explained that the sculpture had been enchanted by a mischievous fairy. The fairy had wanted to teach the villagers a lesson about taking things for granted. As the villagers pondered this, the sculpture sneezed again, and a tiny flower bloomed at its base. The villagers realized the importance of appreciating the small wonders around them.